idol, shoutout nga pala sa inyong lahat. Muling nagbabalik, CUYI Graphic TV. Another day, another tutorial po. Ito naman ay about sa kung paano mag-calibrate ng makina sa inyong mga cutter platter. Ang model po ng cutter platter ko ay CUYI MK630 na 24 inch. Dito sa video na ito ay ituturo ko kung paano ang properly calibrate ng blade ng CUYI MK630 gamit ang SignMaster software. Marami po ang user na nakaka-experience ng mga bilog na corner na hindi nagsasarang cuts, hindi nagtatapos, mahirap i-weed, pangit ang cutting quality. Kadalasan ay naayos ito sa tamang blade calibration. Kahit tama ang setting mo, ay minsan ay sa blade din ng actual na pag-calibrate. Siya nga pala, ito yung update ng aking pag-calibrate. Ay papakita ko sa inyo. Ito ay pinapili ako sa pinakamagandang cut na nagawa niya na actual na pag-cut sa ating vinyl na normal na sticker. At after result niya ay ito yung kalalabasan ng kanyang cutting. Nawala po yung bilog na corner at naging malinis po ang kanyang corner at bilog na bilog po. Malinis pong tingnan at wala na siyang mga buntot-buntot. Yun po ang sinishare ko sa inyo sa mga aspirant na gusto matuto. Huwag niyong kalimutan at mag-like and share and subscribe dito lang sa CUYI Graphic TV. Kaya tara na guys.
Strong, crazy bets on me. Back mid-scroll, Armageddon arcane. Walking the wild, walking the wild. Don't know why. Cosplay cowgirls and numberless chats. Feeling just fine in ironic hats. Walking the wild, walking the wild. I don't know why. I don't mind the hustle and the tussle. I don't mind the grind. I don't mind pretending we don't see these signs. The hustle and the tussle, I don't mind the grind. You and me dancing on the Gideon time, on the Gideon time. Try to unplug it, turn it back on. Try to unplug, but the feeling's gone. Walking the wild, walking the wild. Don't know why, you don't know why, you don't know why. Radio play in the cesspool stream. Oh, running down nightmares that used to be dreams. Walking the wild, walking the wild. And I don't know why. The hustle and the tussle, I don't mind the grind. I don't mind pretending we don't see these signs. I don't mind the hustle and the tussle, I don't mind the grind. dancing Armageddon time. You and me dancing Armageddon time. I don't mind the hustle and the tussle, I don't mind the grind. I don't mind pretending we don't see these signs. I don't mind the hustle and the tussle, I don't mind the grind. You and me dancing Armageddon time. You and me dancing Armageddon time.